Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about HTML list. So the HTML list is used to group a set of related items, and the HTML list can be ordered list or it can be unordered list. So first of all we're going to talk about the HTML unordered list. So the unordered list is created with the UL tag, and inside of the UL tag we have the li tag. So UL stands for unordered list and li stands for list item. So we can put some list item like item 1 and then item 2 and then item 3, and you can see all the unordered list items are marked using the bullet point. So next we are going to talk about the ordered list. So we use the OL tag, which stands for ordered list, and inside the ordered list we use the li tag. Li stands for list item. So we can write item 1, item 2 and item 3, and you can see all the ordered list items are marked using the numbers by default, but we can also change that by using the CSS. And next we are going to talk about the description list. So the description list started with the DL tag, and the description list is a list of terms with a description of each term. So inside the DL tag, first we have the DT tag, which stands for description term, and inside of the tag we write the term like WHO, and right after the term we have the DD tag, which is used for the description about that term. So we have to write the description about the WHO, which is World Health Organization. So first of all we have the DL tag, which stands for description list, and inside of that tag we have the DT tag, which contains the term, and right after the DT tag we have the DD tag, which describes the term inside the DT tag. So this is the way we can create one unordered list, and this is nothing but a list of items, and the items are marked using the bullet points. And next we have the ordered list. This is nothing but a list of items, and they are marked using the numbers by default, and we can change that by using CSS or JavaScript. And also we can create one description list where first of all we have the term, and right after the term we have the description about that term. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.